Every day the market gives you a chance. But the real question is, do you take it or just watch from the sidelines again?
Yeah. They say that I'm on the road. Maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls. Find me out here on my own.
I am the fear. I trade by the system. Value discipline and share it with others. Over 20,000 traders are already in my Telegram channel. They get signals, watch real trades and learn from live situations. No noise, no hype, just real work. Link in the description. Join in, it's time to practice. At USD GPY, price approached a local high, forming a series of candles with clear slowdown. At the same time, stochastic started turning down from the overbought zone, hitting at a pullback. I entered down from the level, $60, 2-minute expiry. Want to earn from trading without spending months studying indicators? There is a simple way to start today. I created a VIP channel with a live trading session where you get my real-time entries. Just copy my trades and grow with me. Message me on Telegram to join. 240 signals monthly. Link in the description. The trade played out perfectly. Price followed the plan and dropped. Closed in profit. Account grew to $115. GBP USD climbed but stalled, like it hit a ceiling. Stochastic also started turning down from overbought. I entered down for 2 minutes with $115, expecting a local pullback. Want to earn passively? Try copy trading. Every time I place a trade, your account mirrors mine. Same entries, same exits, same results. You don't need years of experience, just connect your account and start earning. Many people made $500 to $1,000 in their first week, not from luck, but from consistency. If you're ready to follow a trader with real values, message me on Telegram, link in the description. Breakout didn't happen. Candle reversed. Price moved down. Trade closed in profit, plus $105. Enter down on GBP CAD with $221. Price rejected resistance strongly and stochastic flipped downward. All signs pointed to a potential drop. ZFX Robot, my new trading bot that analyzes the market and gives signals with up to 92% accuracy. No emotions, no delays, just clean entries. Works with Forex, crypto, and stocks. Signals 24/7. Trade anytime. Turbo mode, get signals in 5 seconds. Asset ranking shows where the profits are. Want to try? Message me, I'll get you connected today. Link in description. The position worked perfectly. In just a few minutes, account grew by plus $159. EUR/AUD showed a strong upward impulse, hitting previous resistance and slightly pulling back. But since price held above the key level, I entered up with $380 expecting continuation. Want to earn without compromising your values? Try Profitex Robot, a smart assistant that trades only halal assets. It works 24/7 and gives around 200 accurate signals monthly with an 86% win rate. If you want to trade automatically, message me on Telegram. I'll connect you. Link in the description. Now back to the trade. Let's see the results. Great call! Price pushed up again and held above key resistance. Trade closed strong, $729 profit. Today's session, 4 trades all in profit. Started with a clear reversal on USD GPY. Price hit resistance. Indicators confirm the move. Shorted with $60, easy win. Next, GBP USD. Rejection at local resistance, went in with $150. Another profit. Third, GBP CAD, classic pattern, stalled impulse, bearish signs aligned, shorted $221 and took the profit. Final trade EUR/AUD, strong bullish momentum, caught the bones and went long with $380 trade closed in green. In total, 4 clean trades, all based on signals, turned $60 to $729.